Hello, everybody. Welcome to Busted Ratchet Garage.
Well, hello, everybody. Welcome back to Busted Ratchet Garage. That was still super weird. Well, hello, everybody, and welcome to Busted Ratchet Garage. That was still weird. Why can't I talk? Hello, everyone. Welcome to Busted Ratchet Garage. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Today, we're gonna, work on the Datsun hood again, but you know what? It's got a lot of fixing before it's gonna be done. So anyway, what have we done so far? Well, we did some fiberglass work underneath. We did some fiberglass Bondo glass work on top. As you can kind of see, it looks better. We're gonna go over it right now with some regular Bondo and try to level out all of the really low spots over on the edges, and then we're gonna come in here and work on the profile. So anyway, I want to thank you for stopping by. Let's get to work. Alright guys, we got some Bondo mixed up. I'm going to try to do this before it sets off. Take my spatula off on this nice corner.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Sorry I'm being so quiet, guys. I'm just trying to focus. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Ew, it's getting gross. Let's not do that. Try to smooth that out. Alright. Guys. We got the official second coat of Bondo on. Alright guys. Here's a little look. What it looks like right now. We're not done. I want to hear it, Fred. Let's see you go outside in your garage and do something worthwhile. Alright, so we're gonna wait for this to cure and set up, and we'll probably come out later tonight and block sand this down and maybe do another coat. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll wait till tomorrow to come out here to make sure that it's already setting up. But anyway, to make sure that it cures good so it holds on, because there was one spot that I had a little bit of lifting with the Bondo glass, but fingers crossed it's not going to be the whole thing. Otherwise, we'll just try to find a new hood. So bear with me. We'll be right back. All right, guys, it's day 2. Well, you know, we've been working on this for more than 2 days, but it's on day 2 of doing this section of Bondo. Set up hard as a rock. So let's come through here with our block and let's do some sanding. Do you guys want to get a little bit closer? All right, I'll bring you a little bit closer. Let's get some sanding done on this. Maybe get another coat on. Footage was lost. We'll pick up halfway through sanding. That feels really good.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Ooh, guys, it's looking really straight. Yeah, it's looking so much better than I thought it was gonna. Man, I do some nice work. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna continue doing this all the way around the hood, and then we'll come back and we'll probably do some more body filler up through into here and feather it up to, you know, halfway up. All right, I'm gonna get to work. All right, guys, I got most of the hand blocking, the block sanding by hand done. It looks pretty good. Let's take a look at it. It's hard to tell how nice and straight it is. But trust me when I say it is. Now we're not done, guys. We're not done at all. We gotta, like I said, put a little bit in here to here and then kind of blend these two areas together. And then we're gonna glaze the whole thing, sand it, prime it, and paint it and make it look all nice and pretty. Okay, guys, as you can see, we moved the hood into the house because, wouldn't you know it, on April 17th, we're getting like a major blizzard. There's already like a foot or so of snow outside and more to come. So it's really cold and my breaker was broken in the basement, so I can't use my furnace. So I just said, hey, bring it in the house. Single man, you do what you want. You want to bring your hood in your house, you could do it. Anyway, so I'm gonna mix up some more Bondo glass and I'm gonna fill in up here with some Bondo glass, and then we're gonna do some along here and here if I have enough. So let's get this mixed up. All right, guys, we got it mixed up. Over here. Come over here to this side so you can see what I'm doing.
sick of watching me bondo this hood? I'm almost done. Just bear with me.
Alright guys, I think we're going to call that good for right now. And then maybe we're going to put some bondo along here real quick. Should be able to do that. Okay guys, we got the last little bit of bondo mixed up. Hey guys, while I'm sitting here editing this video, let's talk. Well, not while I'm editing, while you guys are watching me finish up this hood. What do you guys think I could do to make these videos better? What do you think I could do to make it more entertaining? If you could comment down below, I would appreciate it. Also, what color do you think I should paint this car? Comment down below. What color do you think I should do? All right. I'm going to stop talking. Let's get back to the video. Alright guys, we're going to let that cure. And we'll see what happens.
4 to 6 days later.
Alright guys, it's been like almost a week since I've uploaded a video. I've been working on the hood, but there's only so much of bondoing and sanding that I want to show. I did 3 coats of this final bondo, and now it's on to glaze, but I'm gonna save glazing and priming for another video. So let's just we're gonna end this video here. I'm gonna show you how good it's kind of getting, how straight it's getting. I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera, but in person it's looking really good. So let's flip the camera around and let's take a look at it. All right guys, it's really hard to show on camera kind of how nice, straight, and smooth it is. Let's take a look going up along here. It's not done. It still needs some glaze in those low spots. You can see them. But man, it's very straight. Down along there. Very straight. Needs some glaze. This other side I think I might do a little bit more Bondo here. It's a little low, but it looks so good compared to what it was. Yeah, this is the only picture of what it was I could find. Well, compared to what it was, it's like a million times better, guys. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching this little update of the hood. It's looking like really great. Axel, are you regretting getting rid of this car yet? I bet you are. Anyway, so yeah, until next time, guys, peace.